Project-based flight requests allow users to submit a request for blanket or reoccurring approval for a specified project within a specified date range. The project review remains the same as the individual flight review, except the user will submit a range of dates and proposed frequency of operation. Filling out a project request is almost identical to filling out a flight request, with just a few additional fields. Project name, project purpose, project end and start date, frequency of occurrence, and expected range of time. Once the project request has been completed, submit for review. If the project request has been approved, the user may now go into the project and add individual flights. You will notice that the information tied to the project approval has been pre-populated and cannot be edited. Fill in the remaining fields, and the flight will receive automatic approval, as it fits within the parameters of the already approved project. Each flight within a project still requires the submission of a flight report. Please see our Submit Flight Report video for further instructions.